Hi, I'm Ron Pacioni with the K-Grant Group, and today I wanted to talk about 6 things that you need to keep in mind when you're doing a fix and flip. Number 1, I want you to have a clear, realistic budget. Know what you want to do with the property that you choose. Have a great picture in mind of the end goal. Choose the right property. Make sure it has good bones, it's in a good neighborhood. So when you do your fix and flip, you can actually get what you want out of the property. Create a solid renovation plan. Again, go through what you need to do with your renovations. Make sure you don't waste money on items that don't return in value, like excessive landscaping. You definitely want to make it pretty, but you don't want to go crazy. You want to add value by putting new kitchens and bathrooms and especially flooring. Those items will return the value. Hire a reputable contractor. That's really important. You don't want to get stuck in the middle of a project and not have the ability to get the project across the finish line. And don't skip the permits. If the city catches you doing fix and flips without a permit, you're going to get stuck. And number 5, I want you to look at and plan on a good marketing plan. Talk with your realtor. If you don't have one, call me. I'm happy to help out. And put an effective marketing plan together and get this beautiful gem that you've worked so hard on out to the public so they can see it and purchase it. And number 6, don't cut corners. It's really important to do your renovations properly and correctly. The buyers will catch mistakes made during the renovation process. There's also a lagging liability for the fix and flipper that might come into play if you cut corners. Again, I'm Ron Pacioni with the K-Grant Group. Feel free to reach out, 602-574-9587. I'm happy to answer any questions about fix and flipping, investing, or just helping you purchase a home.